In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync new customer orders from Woocommerce directly into Google Sheets. This process is perfect for streamlining your order management and ensuring you have all your data centralized and easily accessible. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to WordPress.com. Opening your browser, type in the URL, or simply search for WordPress on your preferred search engine. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page, and you should see an option to log in. Click it. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to enter your credentials. If you've saved these credentials to your browser, this should be a fairly quick step. Once logged in, head over to your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center, where you can take control of the entire website and its settings. From here, you'll want to direct your attention to the left sidebar and hit the Plugins tab. This section of your dashboard allows you to manage and add new functionalities to your site, which is exactly what we're about to do. Next, click on the Add Plugin button. A new page will load, presenting you with a myriad of plugins to choose from. In the search box, type Uncanny Automator. This is the tool we will be using to seamlessly connect Woocommerce with Google Sheets. Once you've typed in the name, press Enter or choose the search icon. Within a few moments, the search results will populate and you'll spot the Uncanny Automator among them. Go ahead and click on it. You're on the right track when you see the Install button. Click Install and let it run its course. It shouldn't take long, but be patient. Once the installation is complete, an Activate button will appear in place of the Install option. Click Activate to ensure that the plugin is fully functional and ready to use. At this point, the Uncanny Automator is installed and activated on your website. With this powerful tool at your disposal, you have taken the first steps to automate and streamline your business processes between Woocommerce and Google Sheets. Keep in mind that Uncanny Automator can do much more than just this integration. It's truly a versatile automation tool that can connect a wide range of services. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and share the video, and subscribe for more detailed guides on optimizing your digital workflows. Until next time, take care and happy automating.